Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel on building Night of the Voice. This is the back of our car, and today we are in phase 7 and we are going to be putting together steps 597, and these are the pieces we will need. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button for more content. With that being said, let's build. Step 597 should look like this. And that will go right here. And there we have it. The video soon to come, we will be covering all this area right here with the tail lights, and stay tuned for that because that will be probably the next video.